Now this is just a quick video to show that I'm changing the laser on a Ford Sony 6-disc unit, and here's the arm assembly just here, and this is the laser here, and I've just fitted a new laser into there. You can just see it hanging there. I've still got to put all the gears and mech back into that. But these particular decks are quite tricky to work on, obviously, but the new laser is all sitting there. It's just all ready to be reassembled, and I'll show you a quick video of the unit all up and running when it's all back together.